What's going on, YouTube? Alright, so today we are headed to do a first ride. It's my first ride, running the dual GoPros. I have no idea if that's recording right, looks right, I have no idea. So maybe in this footage you'll see the view of me, maybe not, who knows. But let me turn the music down. So we are doing the first ride on the ALTA Super Motard. Not sure, I got a nose itch. Squid. Get you some gear, buddy. I'm kind of squidding it up in the blue jeans, but geared up everywhere else. But yeah, so we're doing a first ride on a ALTA, hopefully. I talked to my friend like 2 weeks ago, had the bike sitting up at the shop, said there was a demo bike, come do a ride on it. So hopefully 2 weeks later that's still a true story. So quick little update. It's been a few weeks since I posted. Extra GoPro, brand new workstation, if you want to say. Built a stout computer. Probably show a little clip of the computer, the setup where I'm working at here somewhere. Oh, the new intro right now. Alright, so you're back. New intro again, change the name again. Trying to set up for a future. So that's all. Just setting up for the future. Hope audio is clear right now. So I've definitely, over the time of setting up this new computer, have gotten a little bit more, I don't know if that sounds right, a little bit more in-depth with the editing and like making the footage look good, making the audio sound better, the transitions, all of that. Hopefully in the near future I'll be working on something a little more cinematic with the bike and me, and that just takes extra people and people willing to help you out with that. Trying to get some cinematic shots of the bike, kind of mix in with that new intro. I'm gonna say this guy doesn't know it yet, but KawiKatana, I met him at the Chase on Two Wheels meet. I gotta slow my ass down, cops are hot today, slow it down. Met him at the Chase on Two Wheels meet. Kind of commented once or twice about going on a ride. So Kawi, if you're watching this video, man, which I'm going to comment on one of yours to kind of send you my direction, come, let's go ride, man. I'm up in the mountains. You want to go for a little mountain ride, or fuck shit, go out and have a beer or something, man? Let's do it. Let's ride. And actually, I might shoot myself in the foot saying this right now, but we'll find out. I'm trying to upload with this new workstation. Editing 4K is now a possibility. So I'm gonna pull in just a little clip right now. Alright, so you just looked at my computer. Alright, so I got 16 gigs of RAM, 250 gigs solid state drive, 2 terabytes, Ryzen 1800X CPU, 8-core processor. Necessity with Adobe Premiere Pro. The screen, I think it's an Acer, 144 hertz, 1080p. I know, uploading in 4K, but I can only watch it in 1080p on my monitor. So what? Those guys, the 10% they say they're on 4K. Hopefully you enjoy my videos. Possibility, huh? Hope there's no cop behind me. Nope, we're good. And all right, I'm gonna switch topics here. I'm gonna go ahead and start it. We're gonna stay on this topic for a little while, and I might cut a little bit of the topic short because I get long-winded and I talk too much, and then we got a 30-minute fucking video, and what the fuck. But anyway, motovlogging. I try anytime I'm riding, I'm rolling. I just enjoy talking, vlogging that much, and I enjoy riding. I want to roll it. Maybe, I know you hear do it with Dan and Chase on two wheels. Sometimes when they go out and ride, they just want to ride, but that's their job. I've yet to make this my job, and probably never will. I mean, not saying I don't want to. It's a great idea. In the back of my mind, that idea's there, but it's a lot of work. I'm willing to put in the work, but it's a lot of work. But yeah, so they're saying, I mean, it's a job, so there's times they just want to go out and ride. But this vlogging makes going out and riding a little more fun. Adds an aspect to it. I noticed that I gotta keep my attention a little more when I'm talking, but I can go out for a ride like today, and where this part of the ride I would have just hopped on the highway, rode straight there just to go ride this bike, vlogging. So now I'm going to take a couple back roads, make it a little bit more enjoyable. It just adds that extra little excitement to it. Excitement. So on that topic of motovlogging, it is a bit of a chore doing all the work. I mean, I'm sure I could just slap this front this GoPro, not that one, not that one, this one. I could slap that on, no editing, film for 15 minutes continuous, throw it up on YouTube, and get 0 views. Or even if I'm getting a few, 1 or 2 views, people are like, what the hell is this guy doing? Like, go look at any of these other not even big time motovloggers, and their footage is 10 times the quality. The hardest part, we're still on that motovlogging topic, the hardest part is coming up with interesting ideas that nobody does. I mean, everybody can just ride around, ride a few wheelies, like that, but I didn't hold that one very long, but it is what it is. Yeah, I mean, anybody can do that, but like being able to get to a motorcycle shop and doing a first ride, or, you know, showing something new and exciting. Like, all right, so Chase, Dan, and Motonosity just done all these electric bikes. Now, mind you, before their video posted, I had talked to my friend, I swear to God, hand on the Bible, swear to God, talked to my friend up here about doing like a little first ride on this. It's the ALTA. Per him, again, I've done 0 research on this. This is the same company Harley just invested. Like, his number was 27 million. He's probably right. God knows his stuff. I'm hoping. I'm banking on it. Banking on it, man. If you're watching this video, I'm banking on you knowing your stuff. Invested 27 million into this company, Harley did, to come out with that new 2019 Harley electric bike, which looks good. So, from my understanding, this bike, the ALTA, is in somewhat some form related to that Harley. I don't know, is it the same electric motor or the same motor, smaller battery? I don't know, because it is a supermoto. I don't know the range. When I get on it, I'm going to ask these questions. So, because Motonosity and Chase on Two Wheels done the review of the FX Zero, I think FXS or FXR, something along those. FXS, I think it is, and has, I think, 100 miles city maximum, like 50 to 100 highway city riding, something along those lines. Damn it, I hate it. The truck looks good, man, but it slings rocks into my neck. I think I'm getting stung by shit. I guess I could just back the fuck up, huh? I hate the grass in the road. It's dangerous. Yelling in the mic. Well, right there is the off-road ALTA. So that's pretty cool. I know my mic's coming out of the helmet, but here it is. There is the off-road ALTA. Cool. Woo! I'm sweating like a pig. Alright guys, so bad news is they did not have the ALTA charged. My friend that works there wasn't there, he's on vacation, so it's a no-go for me. We're gonna try to find a cool place to ride. Yeah, so the problem was not charged, my friend wasn't there, so they didn't really want to give me much of a time of the day. So it is what it is. We'll go back. Video's somewhat of a fail. I'm gonna hit him up and try to plan with him a time that I can come up there and ride it. I guess it's partially my fault for just thinking I can show up. Go right ahead, lady. Just yep, just pull on out there and hit the brakes. Good job. Ah, man, everybody. Y'all all suck. Every one of you suck. So yeah, we're gonna try to head up to Yea Mountain. I've actually never tried to go there, so this is gonna be all new to me and you. Well, maybe not you, maybe you have. Somebody watching this might have probably been up there. So yeah, up there. This big giant house up there. See, I'm going away from the mountain now. I probably should have stopped at the gas station. I thought that truck was coming into my lane, I really did. That's how you get in trouble. gotta readjust. Too slow. And this is a residential road. I gotta be careful. I'm not giving away a free shelf. Anybody, if they want it. Fuck that bump. That sucked. Those Carolinas, Montana sky. Alright guys, so we're going to end the video here. I got a little outro roll coming up, but I appreciate you watching the video, appreciate the views, like, subscribe, do whatever the hell you feel like. I will enjoy it.